Welcome guys, so today I am with the Taotronics SoundLiberty 53 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your Android phone. So first of all, you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back you can find the USB-C input. Next, you have to put them to the case and open it. After a few moments, these indicators are right here, they will start blinking. And as you can see, it means that it's pairing mode activate, so they are visible to other devices. So we have to put this case close to the phone and do not close this cover. Next, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings, turn the Bluetooth and select to pair new device. As you can see, they appear on the list, so when you tap on them once, we will be successfully connected when we accept the pairing request. And as you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.